So here it is, the original 2016 Black Magic Mustang. Hey everyone, I'm Dan with Precision Pro Auto Detailing here in Hamburg, New York. Here's what happens when you drop off your vehicle at our shop for a ceramic coating. We start off with a hand wash, and then we move into cleansing your vehicle's clear coat. This removes all that built up dirt, grime, road tar, the embedded brake dust from the clear coat, so your ceramic coating can properly bond to that surface, giving you the best protection and shine possible. And after cleansing the clear coat, we start the paint polishing process. And this process includes buffing and polishing the clear coat to remove minor paint defects like swirls and light scratches. And we use professional grade tools and products to give your vehicle that showroom shine, just like you see here. And then we lock in that flawless polished look with the ceramic coating. So there's no need to wax multiple times a year. The coatings are more durable. They last longer than waxes. Ours last anywhere from 1 to 3 to 5 years. And you're making your vehicle easier to clean. You're practically cutting your wash time in half. And then obviously the ceramic coatings provide a deeper shine like you see on this Mustang here. And you get that mirror-like reflection. So I'm sure you have some questions, so look for a phone number up above the video or down below and give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.